Today we will discuss the Azo Dye test. The test is used for the detection of primary aromatic amines. In this test, we do reaction between primary aromatic amines and beta-naphthol in presence of sodium nitrite in hydrochloric acid followed by sodium hydroxide. The temperature should be 0 to 5 degrees Celsius for this reaction. The reaction takes place in 3 steps. In the first step, benzene diazonium chloride is synthesized from primary aromatic amine by treatment with sodium nitrite in hydrochloric acid. Thereafter, beta-naphthol is treated with aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide to synthesize beta-naphthoxide ion, which is resonance stabilized. In the final step, beta-naphthoxide ion react with benzene diazonium chloride to produce Azo Dye compound, which has characteristic orange to red color. In laboratory, we need sodium nitrite, then beta-naphthol and primary aromatic amine. So first of all, we will take sodium nitrite in a test tube. Thereafter, take beta-naphthol in another test tube. So beta-naphthol is taken in another test tube and put it in the test tube stand. In the final step, we are taking primary aromatic amine, that is aniline. So now we have 3 test tubes. In the first test tube, which has sodium nitrite, add minimum amount of distilled water. Make sure that sodium nitrite is completely dissolved in aqueous solution. Thereafter, take another test tube which has beta-naphthol and add aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Thereafter, take the third test tube which has aniline and add dilute hydrochloric acid into it. So now we have all 3 test tubes. In the first test tube, we have sodium nitrite in aqueous solution. In the second test tube, beta-naphthol in sodium hydroxide solution. And in the third test tube, we have aromatic amines in dilute hydrochloric acid solution. Now keep all the 3 test tubes in ice cold water and make sure that the temperature of these 3 test tubes should be around 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Then sequence of addition of these 3 test tubes should be as per discussed in the mechanism. So sodium nitrite is added into aniline solution and thereafter beta-naphthol is added. Formation of red precipitate indicate the presence of primary aromatic amine.